Roblox error 901, often appearing as unable to join the game or error code 901, signifies a problem when connecting to a Roblox game or experience. This is a client-side error related to connectivity, authentication, or Roblox's servers. It's more common on mobile devices or during peak usage times, such as evenings and weekends, due to server overload. The error indicates a failure in the game join process. Key areas involved include disruptions in connectivity layers like HTTP, HTTPS, and WebSocket protocols, authentication and permission issues, and client-side problems like corrupted app data or outdated clients. Roblox classifies error 901 as a retriable error, meaning it often resolves with user-side actions. To resolve error 901, try these steps. First, restart your device and ensure your Roblox app is updated. Second, check your network connection. Switch to stable Wi-Fi, disable VPNs, reset your router, or toggle airplane mode on mobile. Third, clear the Roblox app's cache and data in your device's settings. Fourth, log out and back into your Roblox account and verify your account via email. As an advanced step, try disabling your antivirus or firewall temporarily. If the problem persists, report it to Roblox support. Community data shows that 70% of users resolve error 901 with these basic steps.